Hey guys, welcome back to Indian Aviation Jobs YouTube channel. My name is Nitin Singh. So today I am going to talk about how the future air travel is going to look like. So Ministry of Civil Aviation India have forwarded some guidelines and SOPs to all the stakeholders like airline and airport operators to start the air operation. So these SOPs consist of some guidelines which airline and airport operator have to follow once the air operation starts. So we are going to discuss them point by point. So let's begin. When you travel for the next time, you may not get in-flight food but just a water bottle, and I think this can be only applied to domestic travel and journey less than 3 hours. Government is also thinking to restrict check-in baggages of passengers, so when you travel for the next time, you might have less check-in bag to carry, so keep those things also in the mind. People above 80 years old may not be able to fly next time till this coronavirus is there because it is more deadly for the elderly people and they are more vulnerable, and to stop the infection government might take this step as well. Airlines may agree or not, but government is also considering to leave the middle seat empty. So when you travel next time, you might get aisle or window seat to maintain social distancing. Government is also thinking of taking this measure. Suppose if someone is having symptoms of coronavirus on board on the flight while traveling, so government is also considering to leave the last row empty to provide isolation on board so that suspected person can be kept away from all the other passengers. Currently, the reporting time for domestic flight is 45 minutes and for international it is 1 hour, but government is also considering to increase the reporting time in order to provide thermal screening of passengers. It is going to take a lot of time, so government is also thinking to increase the reporting time for the passengers at the airport. You will also require to install Arogya Setu app when you fly next time, because at the airport Arogya Setu app is also going to be checked, and if the signal is green in the app, then only you will be able to enter the airport terminal. So airport operators are also going to do thermal screening of the passenger, and if your body temperature is above the normal body temperature, then also you might not be able to travel. So these restrictions can be put into place to stop the spread of coronavirus in India, and they can be lifted once situation gets normal. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and also like the video. Follow us on Instagram, Aviator Nitin and Indian Aviation Jobs. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.